right, engine is out. What are we doing now, Ross?
Clutch. This is why we pulled the engine. Oh man, oh yeah. She's shredded, look at this.
Does it smell good?
Look at that, oh. Look at all this just fall out here. Oh, yeah, that baby's gone. Somebody did not know how to drive a manual
Ross,
transmission.
tell us the story. What happened exactly?
Oh yeah, she's shite. Oh yeah. Will you look at that?
I think it's the transmission transfer case. We get it up on the lift, start looking around a little bit. Obviously, we want to prepare him and let him know if we've got to pull everything out, there's going to be additional costs. So, Ross, what happened? You call him up, and what do you say to him?
I texted him. I said, "Why don't you just tell us what happened? Because it's going to be quite pricey if we have to start ripping everything out." And he's like,
"Well, it started smoking when I got up to the light, and yeah, so it wouldn't move after that. I like tried to let the clutch out, and nothing would happen."
Sounds like a clutch to me. Lo and behold,
It was.
what we got here, Nate? A lack of clutch material, Nathan.
Look at that.
Look at this.
Yeah, look at all this shite, and even in the bell housing, dude. Look at all that. All clutch.
Oh dear.
So the moral of the story, ladies and gentlemen, you do not want to pop the clutch and spin an all-wheel drive vehicle.
That's pretty.
Gosh, that is sick.
Don't try to drop the clutch on your 200 TDI.
Don't do it.
Just don't do it.
Whatever you do, don't do it.
It's beautiful. I should have put a pan underneath. Throw it in the back of my cruiser, but we need, before you take that down there, shut this off. We gotta grind off.